Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'm going to deliver a comprehensive guide to mastering Google Forms in this single video, which will dramatically improve your work efficiency.
Nice! I saw in your Japanese YouTube channel that you have created a lot of mini systems with Google Form, and I love them.
Thanks Naruto, so everyone check it out. Enter the data from the smartphone, item hoodie outgoing and 20, submit. Look at this, the stock level updating in real time. Your stock only enter data from their smartphones, and managers check out the inventory status from this summary sheet. This is the ultimate inventory management system. So everyone, isn't this amazing?
Indeed. There's so much work that we do not need fancy systems. This is perfect for what we always need.
Naruto, exactly. So today we'll start from scratch and cover not only the basics of creating surveys, but also building the ultimate inventory management system linked with Google Sheets, even automating form creation using the latest AI features. Let's get started. So first, let's start with the absolute basic of Google Forms. To create a form, just open Google Drive, click on New and select Google Forms. It's easy, right? So okay, this is the creation screen. First, let's bring this form to life. I'll name this inventory management form. When you do that, the file name in the top left corner also changes automatically. Convenient, isn't it?
Google Form looks like that is useful only for questionnaires.
Yeah.
But with easy steps, you can create so much.
Yeah, exactly. In the description field, let's add this is a form for recording incoming and outgoing products so that anyone can understand it. This time, we will create the items necessary for inventory management: date, product name, status, incoming, outgoing, and quantity. So date. If you type date in the question field, Google is smart enough to automatically select the date format for you. Product name. So next, add a question with a plus button and type product name. Here, let's use the drop-down to prevent input errors. If you register t-shirts, hoodie, and jacket as options, you just have to select one, so no mistake will be made. For the status question, since there are only two options, incoming or outgoing, the multiple choice radio button option is perfect. Lastly, we have quantity. We want a number to be entered here, so let's choose short answer. And there you have it. The input form is complete.
That's pretty easy. We just selected the items we need and done.
Yes, Naruto. That's all it takes. So okay, this is where the real work begins. The form is just the entry point. We will create a system that automatically manages inventory by linking the entered data with the spreadsheets. This is where the real magic happens. Wow! Click on the Responses tab at the top of the form screen. You'll see a green spreadsheet icon there. Click on it and select Create a new spreadsheet. Okay, the link is now complete. As a test, I try entering data into the form from my smartphone. So now let's take a look at the spreadsheet. The data I just entered has been reflected in real time. Ooh.
If you try to make all that in spreadsheet, it would cost so much effort. But with this form, it's all in one.
Yes, all in one. Simply accumulating data can't be called inventory management. Add a new sheet using the plus button at the bottom of the sheet and name it Inventory Summary. Then let's create a table like this. That shows the incoming, outgoing, and current stock for each product. So this is the most crucial part. We use a magical formula called the sum-if function to automatically put the number of incoming and outgoing items from the form responses. For example, in the cell to calculate the incoming quantity for t-shirts, you would enter this. Once you set this up, the summary sheet will be fully automatically updated every time an entry is made in the form.
Oh, sum-if.
Yeah.
I already know how to use.
It's quite simple. Now shall we try entering data from the smartphone one more time? This time hoodie, outgoing, and 20. Submit. Yes, please look at the screen. The outgoing count for hoodies became 20 and the stock level was updated in real time. The Stockholm site only need to enter data on their smartphones, and managers can grasp the latest inventory status just by looking at this summary sheet. This is the ultimate inventory management system. Everyone, isn't this amazing?
Yes, I was thinking those systems would be complicated.
Yeah.
But actually we can create simple ones with enough functions to use.
Yes, exactly. So now finally let me introduce you to the future of work. It's the AI feature, Gemini, which was recently integrated into Google Forms. Using this, the time-consuming task of form creation can be finished in an instant. For example, let's say you have a Google Doc with an event invitation. Until now, you had to create the form question one by one manually while looking at this document, right? So, but with Gemini, it's like this. You just instruct the AI, create a participation confirmation form based on the invitation. Then, the AI reads the document and automatically generates the necessary question items, such as the event name, date and time, attendance confirmation, and RG inquiries. This is revolutionary, isn't it? Of course, you still need to always double-check the content created by the AI with your own eyes. But there's no doubt it can significantly reduce your working hours.
AI is everywhere, making our life so much easy.
Yeah, that's true, Naruto. It's truly the future of work. So how was that? We've covered everything from the basic operations of Google Forms to practical inventory management linked with spreadsheets, and even the latest AI features all at once. So information entered from smartphone and PC is aggregated and calculated in real time through the cloud. This is the true power of Google's app integration. So please try incorporating this system into your business and daily tasks. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.